All right, hello everybody. I am back. Andrea here with Sew to Fit. Thank you for joining my channel to check out what I have to share today. Today I'm going over this nice little outfit that I created using two different techniques. I did not use a pattern, so I apologize. This is just something to show you that I did. So I'll be showing some of the photos up here to give you details on how I copied another blouse that's been in my wardrobe. We're going to talk about the black blouse first, okay? This black blouse has yoke in the back and yoke in the front. You can see that it is also on the sleeves. I chose not to do that because I did cut the front and decided that I changed my mind on the front and just made it into a yoke because I had cut it to actually have a black piece in it, which is like the black piece in the back. You can see the pictures here, okay? And because the fabric stretched, I did not have to worry about putting this opening in here with a button. And as far as the neckline is concerned, this is a stretch neckline. It's a fold over elastic, okay? And I think I might have a YouTube video on that. And you can see in the photo, it is lengthened in the back. I did take up the side seams compared to this. I should not have done that because I created a little bit of a sway back that I can't fix, so it's just gonna have to be like that. I've had this blouse for so long I don't even know, but the technique for making the copy, I do want to let you know that I did not make a pattern from it. I just copied it straight onto the black and white viscose. This is a stretch viscose fabric that I got from So Much Fabric. I'll tell you about that more later. You need to always remember to make a pattern so that you can recreate your design later on, because I did not. And since I did not, now I have to go ahead and redo this because I like this blouse so much. But the next time I am going to include the band inset yoke for it. It's basically a t-shirt with insets. So if you have a bodice block, you can make this, or you can just trace and copy other garments. You can see at the top it's got inside here, it's an inset. The yoke is a different fabric. So basically this is 3 pattern pieces. Well, 4, because the sleeve is 3 pattern pieces, the front is 3 pattern pieces, the back is 3 pattern pieces. So that's a lot of pattern pieces. That's 9 pattern pieces for this one thing. And I didn't want to do that. So that's what made me stop at that. All right. The pants were made using my custom bodice block. Now, I use my bodice block quite a bit whenever I'm doing pants, when I'm trying to do fitting or anything like that. One of the things that I wanted to show you is, look at this. Let me move over. This video is showing you how I did the waistband. I made a flat inset waistband. You can see that it helps you to not have all that extra going on with it as far as making it flat in the front. There's no bulk when you wear a smooth shirt, and it's also very comfortable. It is not like a yoga pant. A yoga pant has And you know, a yoga pant has all that extra going on, like a separate waistband. This one does not have a separate waistband. It is a really nice, classic, smooth front and back. No gathers or anything. It just is exactly cut to your size, a little bit tighter, so that the elastic only needs to stretch when you're actually pulling the pants on. All right, this fabric is a gorgeous fabric from So Much Fabric. It is a stretch. See that? Look at that. It's a stretch viscose from So Much Fabric. And you can, you know, it drapes really nice. I like the way the pants drape. They look really nice when I walk. I don't wear any heels as much as I used to. So I wear just loafers. And I think this worked out. I wear a black top over it, a black jacket, black whatever, or beige scarf. Anything to take it up a notch. So this made it nice for Christmas. And to be honest with you, I actually wore this garment 3 times in a row because our Christmas Eve was changed, and then I had to go run some errands the next day, and it still held up, you guys. And you could just throw it in the wash. I washed this fabric in the washing machine on delicate before I cut it, and I'm happy with it because now this is just one of those easy throw on outfits. For the pants or any part of this garment, because this fabric stretches, or any stretch fabric, it's a good idea to test the stretch factor when you're making it. Say if the stretch is a lot and you want to put this kind of elastic in the waist for the flat front elastic with no amount of gathers, then you're going to have to make sure you use it tighter at the waistband so that it'll be smooth, but you won't have to worry about having any gathers, because that's a problem. So you do have to test your stretch factor. I didn't take into account that for the sleeves. That's okay. This pattern or blouse that I was copying it from is not a stretch fabric, so I didn't give that in any account. I didn't account for that. So I made it exactly the size as the blouse. I wish I had made it a little bit bigger because the seam actually tightens it. Okay, so here we are, and there's a line across here. All right, now this is the garment right here. This is the blouse I copied from this one. See that right there? I took that one for the back and put the inset here so you can see. Basically, just make sure that you make a copy. Another thing about copying, and I can do a video on that later, you know, I can't make all these promises. Copy of the pattern, do it onto paper, don't do it on the fabric unless you just, I mean, to me, I should have thought about that. To take the time to actually copy a garment, it makes sense to copy it onto paper, because if you don't copy it onto paper, then you might as well not waste your time doing it. If you have done any type of garment copying or pattern drafting or even something like that, experimenting with different fabrics, let me know in the comment section below. If you want to learn even more about how I do designing and pattern copying or pattern designing, you can always check out my Patreon group. Okay, if you want to dive deeper into the type of things I do, let me know in the comments what part of this project is your favorite. Even if you tried to copy a garment, did you copy it on paper? Did you put it onto the fabric directly? If so, let me know, because I'm curious to know how you did it. Let me know if you did something that was really hard. I sure appreciate it, because I know I have a lot of folks on here who really have some skill sets that are interested. I'm always interested in learning from. So that's it. I appreciate you guys for dropping by. You guys have a wonderful day, evening, and afternoon, wherever you are in the world. See you on the other side of the internet. Bye.